We're at Chemical Guys HQ, and today we're asking people what this is. What is this?
That is a vanilla envelope.
Would you dry a car with this?
Absolutely not. I'd rather use my shoe.
All right, there you have it.
That's a chamois, aka a chamois.
Would you use this to dry your car?
Hell nah.
What is this?
It's a chamois.
Would you use this to dry your car?
Absolutely not. Because it looks like leather and that's how it scratches up your car.
Let's play a quick game of golf.
Now we have Joey with a 5-foot putt.
Boom!
And he sinks it.
Do you know what this is?
Piece of cardboard?
Would you use this to dry your car?
No, I don't think so, no.
Ready? Never mind. Hold on. Pokemon break. Do you know what this is? Cardboard. Do you know what this is?
A chamois.
Would you use that to dry your Tesla? Your brand new Tesla that you just bought.
No.
You know what this is?
It's a fake chamois.
Would you use it to dry your car?
Hell no. The dirt's gonna get stuck in here and you're just gonna be scratching your paint with it.
Do you know what this is?
No.
What is this?
Sandpaper?
Sandpaper. Snack break. Shammy Microfiber towel. Here at Chemical Guys, we love to innovate. And that's why we've created the Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois Drying Towel. The Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois Drying Towel combines everything that you guys already know and love about traditional chamois and combines it with the power of microfiber for not only a supreme dry, but also a streak-free and scratch-free finish. Let's show you guys how easy it is to use the Thirst Trap to dry your car. Before you begin using your Thirst Trap drying towel, always make sure to remove the tag, and this is just here to let you know that this is a premium 70/30 microfiber blend. So now that you're ready to use your Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois drying towel, there's actually a couple different ways you can actually use it. So my personal favorite is I like to set it down flat, blot it, and just kind of contour it to the body lines of the vehicle. Then once you have that done, simply drag in one direction. So in this case, I'll actually push it to dry the entire surface in one clean swoop. And just check out those beautiful results. No water left behind, it looks great. And now you're happy knowing that you're not drying your car with a super old chamois drying towel that's gonna scratch up your paintwork. So here at Chemical Guys, we've been actually testing a ton of different drying towel technologies, and we found that this chamois / microfiber blend was actually one of the best ones, simply because of its absorbency and its softness on the paint. Now, when it comes to chamois, traditional chamois, they're great. But the problem with traditional chamois is that over time, they begin to collect fine dust that actually scratch your paintwork. So with Chemical Guys and our innovation, we've decided to basically sandwich a chamois in between two microfiber towels. So you have a beautiful blend of microfiber on both sides, and you have that super absorbency of that chamois within the towel, which is gonna allow you to safely dry your car. And the beautiful thing about it is that, you know, with chamois, you can wring them out. Guess what? You can do the exact same thing with this. But before I do that, I have to get this thing soaked first. So let me go ahead and basically I'm gonna dry about half the car, and I'll do a check-in with you guys to see just how soaked this thing is and show you guys how much water we've absorbed. First sounds great. Yeah, it's very peaceful. I think they love the Thirst Trap. Or maybe they're just thirsty for attention and want to come out of the video. All right guys, so we just finished drying the entire Volvo, and this is the towel that I actually used to dry the entire thing. As you can see, it's nice, it's still intact, and we actually wrung it out before that. And now, yes, I just did that. I just put a wet towel on a dry car, but that's just because I want to show you guys something. Now, normally with traditional chamois, you know, you finish drying your car, what do? You fold them up, toss them somewhere, put them in a little cabinet or something, and then this is what happens. They turn rock hard. They turn rock hard, and then the next time that you want to use your chamois, what are you gonna do? You're gonna have your car wet, you're gonna put this on your paint. I'm not gonna actually put it down, but you're gonna put this rock hard piece of chamois onto your wet car. And yeah, it's gonna get soft, but in those initial first few wipes, you're gonna be doing some damage. So the great thing about our Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois drying towel is that it stays flexible even when it's dry. So yes, this is a separate drying towel. This is actually one that we've actually been using for the past couple months that we've been testing this product. And as you can see, it stays nice and flexible. This, oh, despite the wind, this thing is rock hard. Lastly, before we go, I did want to mention that our Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois drying towel is actually machine washable. So you can actually throw it in the machine washer with your favorite Chemical Guys microfiber wash, clean it up, and have it nice and ready for the next time you want to dry your car. Traditional chamois, on the other hand, you cannot do that because you cannot wash a traditional chamois because they have this sponge-like texture. So once they get dirty, they stay dirty and it's not going to go back. And that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already to see our latest content, and of course, if you guys want to pick up your own Thirst Trap Microfiber Chamois drying towel, it's going to be linked in the pinned comment, the description, and somewhere on this video, wherever I point. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time.